Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
I think we've done that. If we could come up with a single one that was completely novel, I think it would be a success. Let's do one more, then we can wind it down. Mark, what is the phoenix nest?
The phoenix nest is a vagina because it's the source of
the most logical explanation you've had for any of these yet. I think I should give you a point just for somehow going that. Okay, it's not more logical. Way up high in trees is the nest that the phoenix lives in. I promise you logic. You delivered. Are you not entertained? I make...
I'm not hungry.
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get this. What the f you doing, woman? It's a stop sign for me, goddammit. Wait, goddamn, you should.
Why are those people sitting right there? What the f?
Đầu tiên mùi cái gì vậy? Ôi ôi ôi. What the?
Whoa!
Are you dumb?
Save the narrative, you saving it for marriage. Keep it real, man, you saving it for carriage. You wanna see how far?
No, you're in the road! No, you're in the fucking road!
Might buy you crisp, but that about it. Might buy...
Hey! Hey! What the fuck? Fucking ass. You got them big ass.
Bastards. Bastards. Never heard of them. All part of the secret.
Idiots, y'all.
But the Jerry's.
Y'all.
Because these Yanks have been down with the devil.
On this map, MK Ultra is a thing. Oh my god. No. You said you wanted it.
Current loop video is now locked.
Fog yellow. That was a choice. It's okay. It doesn't do anything. The thing was way back when. What are you doing? Yeah, if I didn't even try to move or react, maybe it would have scraped us.
Oh my. Oh, not this
I love the internet because it is a place of learning and healing, and that I'm a dinosaur. I'm slipping into the tar of irrelevant redundancy. And
What are we doing?
so I'm forever horrified by what new thing I may say that will alienate people I care about. So a year and a half ago, I did write an essay.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.